Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March 30th, 2021, and I'm going to be planting some Johnny Jump Up viola seeds today. Now, normally you want to start these about 10 weeks before your last frost date. I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, and I had to get my seeds, and then I always chill all of my viola and pansy seeds for 2 weeks before I plant them for better germination results. Now, Johnny Jump Ups are perennials in Zone 5B, so they will be a perennial for me, and these germinate in about 10 to 15 days. So you can see here what the seeds look like. I already have my Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix mixed up, and I have it put in a 6-pack here. And I'm going to be doing 2 seeds per cell. And you can see what the seed looks like there. And I'm just going to drop it onto the soil surface right here. There it is. Now, viola seeds do need darkness to germinate. So, what I'm going to be doing with mine, and this is what I do with all of my viola and pansy seeds, is I choose to surface sow mine, and then I put them in a dark location. So, the reason why I choose to surface sow my seeds and then put them in a dark location is the seeds are very, very tiny, as you can see. And what I find is that by the time you mist your seeds after you have them sowed, you wind up getting them down too deep, and then they don't germinate. So by surface sowing them and then gently misting the soil surface, I find I get better germination results. And I use this method on all of these pansy seeds, and I use this method for all of these pansy plants, and I have some violas back here, and then I have more violas and pansies growing in my other greenhouse. So it does work. And I'll show you how I provide the darkness for them to germinate. So I'm going to finish planting my seeds, and we'll come back. Okay, so these are all planted here, and I have my watering wand, and you can use a spray bottle for this, and I have it set to a very gentle light mist. And that's going to cover the seeds just a little bit. There we go. So I already have these sitting in a tray here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cover it with a loose fitting larger tray, and this will give the darkness that it needs for them to germinate. Now I do have these on the radiant heated floor to help them germinate, so I'm going to be checking on them every day to make sure that they're not drying out, and just a simple mist across the top will keep my seeds nice and moist so that they can germinate for me. And one of the ways that you can see when you surface sow your seeds if they're starting to germinate is the seed will start swelling up. I have a video on my channel that I did for how to tell when your seeds are germinating, and I kind of explain the process that the seeds go through when they start germinating, so you can check that out. So when these start coming up, I will be back. Okay, so today is April the 28th, 2021, and I have my viola Johnny Jump Ups here, and you can see they did start getting some of their true leaves. Now, these started germinating April the 8th, and they were started on March the 30th. So, I just wanted to show you here what these look like. They did germinate, and they are, getting their true leaves. Now, these do get fed one time a week with Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. I use 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water, and that helps to get my seedlings off to a good start. From what I've seen, I've been using that for years, and I've tried other plant foods and wasn't too happy with that, so I went back to the Miracle-Gro for my seedlings. It helps to get them off to a good start. It helps them to establish the root system. So that's just why I feed mine that. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!